It's 2025, and let's face it, the economy doesn't care about your dreams. If you're still relying on old money advice, you're already behind. This is the harsh truth about money in 2025, and it might just wake you up. Your money is worth less than it was just a year ago, not because you spent more, but because inflation is silently draining your buying power. In 2025, even a good savings account loses value in real terms. Holding cash isn't safety, it's slow financial death. The traditional job model is broken. Salaries haven't kept up with inflation, and job security is now an illusion. People working 40 hours a week are still living paycheck to paycheck. That's not laziness, that's a system that's rigged. In 2025, real wealth isn't built in the bank, it's built online. The fastest growing millionaires are leveraging digital income, investing, automation, side hustles, and ownership. Your smartphone is more powerful than most people's old 9-to-5s, if you know how to use it right. Here's the part no one wants to hear: if your mindset hasn't changed, your money won't either. In 2025, discipline beats motivation. Financial success starts with how you think, not how much you make. Most people won't act on this video. But if you're still watching, you're not most people. Hit subscribe if you're ready to stop being broke in a system that wants you poor, and start building wealth on your terms.